Hello guys. Welcome back. This is Mask Edit. Do you want to take your edit into new level? You are on right place. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe.
Here I'll show you how to create a really smooth velocity reverse. First, create a musical beat. Simply tap along to the rhythm when you hear the tempo and prepare your video. Tap the video, open speed curve, delete the 3 middle points, lower the last point, and change the first point to 2. Then, drag the clip to the beat point. Pay close attention if you want to execute a perfect backward movement. Here is how. Copy the first clip and reverse its curve relative to the original. Then, change it to overlay. Align the end of the clip with the beat transition and drag the start of the clip to align with the first clip. Then change overlay to the main track. The final step is to apply the reverse. Okay, do the same thing for the second clip. Watch this. I'll move it down to create an overlay. Align it with the main track, adjust the overlay, return to the main track, and then tap the reverse icon. For the third clip, configure the curve settings the same as you did before. Drag it to the beat point and simply copy it. Then, apply reverse to the second clip. Next, copy the normal clip and place it at the very end. Also, copy the reversed clip and place it at the very end. Essentially, arrange the clips in reverse order. Okay, next, apply better quality to all the clips. Next, add a shake effect. Apply object to all video and add keyframes at the beginning and end. For first keyframe speed 100, intensity 40. For second keyframe speed 100, intensity 0. Copy and apply effect settings to all clips. Once that is done, apply an ease out graph to all those effects. Next, add complete whiteout effect. Object to all video. Reduce its size to the minimum and place it exactly in the center of the first tap point. Copy the effect. Place it at the beat point on the second clip. Then replace it with the mirror effect. Copy the mirror effect and place it at the end of the second clip. Add twilight filter, set 100, reduce the scale to the minimum, and place it on the second clip. Directly the 2 mirror effects. Copy filter and apply to third clip on reverse. And adjust the saturation to 50 on the third clip that has been reversed. Okay, next is the zoom in and zoom out style. Add 2 keyframes to the first clip, then zoom in on the second keyframe. Add 2 keyframes to the reversed clip, then zoom in on the first keyframe. Do the same for all the clips first, and we'll adjust the graphs later. Okay, apply cubic out graph for first normal clip, and apply cubic in for first clip on reverse. Do same for second clip, apply cubic out graph for second normal clip, and apply cubic in for second clip on reverse. Okay, pay attention. For the third clip, apply cubic out to everything. Then add swing right animation for first clip, set on 0.2. Okay, done. Export and then import into the new project. Go to motion blur, blur 70, blend 50, direction forward, times twice. Okay, done. And please tap repost.